All right, question 7. This is almost in exponential form. But in order for it to be completely in exponential form, the base that's being raised to the exponent has to have a coefficient of 1 in front of it. And here we can see the base with an exponent has a 7 in front of it. So our first step is to divide both sides by 7. And then after we do that, these 7's cancel, and we're left with just a coefficient of 1. E raised to the 6x power equals 42 divided by 7 is 6. So now this is in exponential form. We can do 3 things here. We can work it backwards. We can convert it to log form. That would work. But I'm going to do it the same way I've worked out the previous problems in this section. And I want to apply the third log property. The third log property says if you're taking the log base b of some number that's raised to the n power, we can rewrite it so the n is the coefficient for that log base b x. And obviously in this problem, since e is our base, we're going to substitute the natural log for this property. It's the exact same property, except instead of log, it's ln. And instead of base b, it's really base e. But we're going to take the natural log of both sides. And remember, when you take the natural log of both sides, like I just said, there's an assumed to be base e there. But I'm not going to write it. And now we can apply this property. So on the left-hand side, that 6x is going to move to the front of the natural log of e. Now we're almost done. If you know, you should know what the natural log of e is. This is just saying the base, which is e, raised to the what power gives us e. Now if that completely spun your head around, we can also just use the calculator. So the ln button, and then the e button is second division sign. The natural log of e is just 1. So this becomes just 6x times 1 equals the natural log of 6. Or in other words, just 6x equals the natural log of 6. And then our final step to solve for x, divide both sides by 6. And then x is going to equal whatever the natural log of 6 divided by 6 is. When in doubt, put it in the calculator. So natural log of 6, close the parenthesis, divided by 6, 0.2986. 0.2986 rounds up to 0.30.